So I wanted to do a quick video and show you guys how I roll a poor man's covered call. A poor man's covered call is selling a call against your long-term leap. So I own an Adobe call that is 2 years out in December, so it expires in 2027. And I've been selling calls against it to bring in passive income. Now you can see here on the screen that we have realized $107 of the $109 cost basis of the call that I sold, which is a $375 call. Now, Adobe is trading at around $350, so this will expire worthless with $20, $25 out the money. What we're going to do is that we're going to roll the positions. It's exactly the same thing as selling a covered call as if you've got shares. As long as that you sell the call above your cost basis of your leap, so that even if your shares get in the money and you close out the position, your leap will make money, your call will make money, and anything above your call strike will be captured by the premium that you're generating inside the leap. What we're going to do, we're going to roll the position, and I'm going to go 7 days out at the moment, and I'm not going to bring up a chart of Adobe, but Adobe is trading in a range, and it's at its lower range at the moment, which is currently sitting at around 350 mark. And at the top of the range, it's about 370. Even if next week Adobe goes up to around the 370 level, I still feel I've got the ability to roll the option, do what I need to do to be able to generate more passive income. If I select the 370 call, you can see here that the mid price is sitting around $116. It's going to cost us around $4. When I looked at this before, around $3 to buy back the 375 call and sell to open a brand new one at the 370. Effectively, we're going to try to make around $100 to $120. So let's see where we get filled. So I eventually got filled at the $1.19. So I made $119 in a week or in the next 7 days of utilizing a leap option of Adobe that I've already got. If we times that by 4, and let's say there's 4 weeks inside the month, that's around $400 a month. Now I could go a bit more aggressive or a bit more safer. The worst case scenario is that Adobe blows through my 370 call. I have to end up selling my leap. I will make money on the leap. I spent around 12 grand on the leap option. The goal of this isn't to narrow down the chip away at the cost basis of that 12 grand. This is about bringing passive income. I think Adobe will rise over the long term. Selling calls against your options can be a risk if you think the share price is going to go up. This is what I like to do. If you like more, make sure you click the link down below and let's jump on a free call. Let's see how you can do this, generate $100 a week just to get started, or whatever it is that your income goals are. Let's work together, and I should see you guys in the next video.